Hi friends! Today we are going to draw a red pickup truck. Spanish is camioneta. First I'm drawing this. Find out truck and something Spanish is camioneta. So it is, say in Spanish. This one. Now we go with this. Let's coloring this one. And also pause the video. Finish colored that part for our truck. Now our truck, we do this and go here. Now you do is go here. Stop. Okay. If we do next, it is this and this. This is how this truck in Spanish is coming up. This is going to be a truck. It's not. It's going to be later. Now we're drawing like this. Go like this. Go a little bit. Like this. Now, to put the ribbon, go like that, and draw. Now, draw the circles, big circles. If we do next, it is curves. Now, small circle. If we do next, it is draw like this. Good. Now we do next, it is draw like this. On our pickup truck, in Spanish, it could be camioneta. Now draw another one. There. Circle here. This and this. Okay, now the next is do this. Draw like that part. And we go next, it is draw some circles in here. Now hold here, pause the video. Do that the same. Okay, I finished the shape of this truck. I'm drawing the road. I drew the shape of the car like this. This is going to be the truck, the pickup truck. So next, let's draw an antenna and this. Okay, look, we're drawing next. Now the next is particle goes for the gas of my truck. Now we're drawing the sun. So there's a rise, sunrise. Okay. So next is draw a light. Okay, we finished our trucks. Now we're going to color. This one we are going to paint it red. So I can take this put this together with. This around the truck. This way. Okay, now what we do. Color next is the light. What color is the other one? It's this pink. After this drawing, we're drawing an ambulance. Later. Using black as a bumper. Okay, I finished with that part. I'm going to paint the sun with yellow. Color all here. Right here, you do this and practice. You can draw all you want. Okay, guys? Okay, I finished with that part. Now it's next color this part here. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.